Okay, today's lesson 5-6 is over transformations. Our objective is I can transform plane figures using translations, rotations, and reflections. So a translation, we look at these SL right here. That's going to stand for slide. And we're just going to move it. So move left, which is going to be XY. It's going to become X minus N, Y. Move right, is X minus, or XY is going to be X plus N, Y. Move up, it's going to be XY becomes X, and then Y plus N, because we're going up, we're going positive. Move down, XY becomes X, and then Y minus N. So we're going to go ahead and use those with these transformation rules. Example 1, graphing translations on a coordinate plane. Graph the translation of triangle ABC. So it wants us to move left and up 4. So that means it's going to be X minus 3, and then Y plus 4. So that's the rule we're going to use. So we need to find our points. So our points are A is negative 3, 0. B is negative 3, negative 3. And C is negative 1, negative 3. So we're going to convert these points using that translation rule. So it's going to convert to A prime, which is our image. That's our new figure. So we're going to subtract 3 from our X, so that's negative 6. We're going to add 4 to our Y, so that becomes 4. B prime, we're going to subtract 3 from our X, so negative 6. Add 4 to our Y, it's going to become 1. And then C prime, we're going to subtract 3 from our X, so that's negative 4. And then we're going to add 4 to our Y, so 1. Let's go ahead and graph these new points. So negative 6, 4. And that's A prime. Negative 6, 1. And that's B prime. Negative 4, 1. Is right here. Sorry, just having trouble reading it. And that's C prime. So that's our new figure. So we need to do the same thing for the second one. So 2 to the right and 3 down. So that's going to be X plus 2 and Y minus 3. So our points of A, B, and C. So A is negative 1, 4. B is negative 1, 1. And C is 2, 1. So we have to find the new points. So A prime. So we're going to add 2 to our X, subtract 3 to our Y. That's 1, 1. B prime is going to be 1, negative 2. And C prime is going to be 4, negative 2. And we need to graph those new points. So 1, 1. That's A prime. 1, negative 2. B prime. 4, negative 2, and that's C prime. So that's our transformation, our translation. We moved it. So the next one, reflection. So FL stands for flip. So our rules across the x-axis, xy is going to become x and then negative y. And that negative just means we're changing the sign of it. So we're doing the opposite of whatever it was. Across the y-axis, so xy becomes the opposite of x and y. And then across the line, y is equal to x. The xy is going to become y x. So we're just changing the order of them this time. So again, the first thing we need to do is find those points. So So A, B, and C. A is negative 2, 4. B is negative 2, 1. And C is 1. So we're flipping across the x-axis. That means we're just doing the opposite of whatever our y was. So A prime is going to become negative 2, negative 4. B prime is negative 2, negative 1. C prime is going to be 1, negative 1. Let's graph those points. Negative 2, negative 4, that's our A prime. Negative 2, negative 1, that's our B prime. And 1, negative 1, that's our C prime. Do the next one. So A, B, and C. A is negative 3, 5. B is negative 3, 1. And C is negative 5, 1. We're flipping across the y-axis, so we're just changing the sign of our x. So A prime is 3, 5. B prime is 3, 1. And C prime is 5, 1. Let's graph these. So 3, 5 is A prime. 3, 1 is our B prime. And 5, 1 is our C prime. The last one, we need our points. So A is going to be 5, 5. B is going to be 5, 1. And C is going to be 1, 1. So again, we're just changing the order on this. So A prime is still going to be 5, 5. B prime is going to be 1, 5. And C prime is still going to be 1, 1. So let's graph these. 5, 5, and we're calling this A prime. 1, 5, we're calling this B prime. And then 1, 1 is C prime. So what that line, y is equal to x, looks like that line right there. So if I were to fold the paper along that line, those triangles would lay on top of each other. And that's really what a reflection is. Let's go ahead and flip over to the last page, talking about rotations. So rotation, you're going to use the TA, and what that stands for is turn around. So we're going to turn around. So 180 degrees. So XY becomes YX. So it's going to be the same thing when we're rotating. We're just flipping the order of those. 90 degrees clockwise is XY becomes Y negative X. So we're changing the order, and then we're changing the sign of the X. The last one, XY, is going to become negative YX. We're changing the order and then changing the sign of the Y this time. On these, I made it easy. I've done the same triangle on all three of these. So A is negative 1, 5. B is negative 1, 1. And C is negative 4, 1. So we want to find A prime, B prime, and C prime. So 90 degrees clockwise means we're going to change the order and change the sign of our X. So if we change the sign of our X, it becomes 1, 5, and then change the order. So 5, 1. 1, 1, change the order, it's still 1, 1. 4, 1, change the order, it's 1, 4. Go ahead and graph this. So 5, 1, that's our A prime. 1, 1 is our B prime. And 1, 4 is our C prime. So if we were to take this coordinate plane and we turned it, it's going to land right there. So we're turning it at 90 degrees. Go ahead and copy down our points for the next one. So negative 1, 5, negative 1, 1, and negative 4, 1. So we want to find 180 degrees. That means we're just going to change the order of those. So 5, negative 1, 1, negative 1, and 1, negative 4. 5, negative 1 is our A prime. 1, negative 1 is our B prime. And 1, negative 4 is our C prime. So that's if we were to turn it twice. That's 180 degrees. And the last one, let's get our points. Negative 1, 5. Negative 1, 1. And negative 4, 1. So now we're going 90 degrees counterclockwise. We're going to change the order to change the value of our y. So this is going to be negative 1, negative 5, and then change the order. So negative 5, negative 1. Negative 1, negative 1, and then change the order. Negative 1, negative 1. Negative 4, negative 1, and then change the order. Negative 1, negative 4. Lastly, let's go ahead and graph them. Negative 5, negative 1. That's our A prime. Negative 1, negative 1. That's our B prime. And negative 1, negative 4 is our C prime. So you guys' homework, you have 3 IXLs. P3 talks about translations, graphing images. P5 talks about reflections and graphing images. And P7 talks about rotations and graphing images.